Alright, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Solana wallet, that is a Sollet wallet. Now a Sollet wallet is just a decentralized wallet in the sense that it's just almost like your trust wallet. You will be able to have control of your assets. The only thing you have to do is to keep your 12 phrase keys or 34 phrase keys in a private place. So it's all in your hands. So if you lose the wallet, those privacy keys and all that, or seed words, you're going to lose access to your wallet. So a Sollet wallet will help you to be able to interact with Solana DEXs, that is decentralized exchanges, in the sense that you can be able to buy all those tokens and all that stuff, all these coins that are not even out, all the hidden gems that you want to buy. That you can't even find on some exchanges. You are going to be able to buy them with a Sollet wallet. So first of all, you have to go to sollet.io, and when you go to sollet.io, you open the website and a pop-up like this should come out. Initially, if you open it for the first time, you might see something like Phantom or another wallet like that. Just click on ignore for now. You understand? So once you open everything up, you will see this. They will tell you to save these words, and once you copy it and keep it in a safe place, like as I'm about to do now, after copying that, you click on I have saved this and click on download. As you can see, there is a bracket here showing that it's required, because if you don't download it, this button here won't activate. So you click on download, and once it's downloaded, and you click on continue, and now they will tell you to type those phrase keys that you have copied or you have written down. So I'm just going to do is paste them here and click on continue. You put in a password. You can put a password, so it's optional, but for this video I don't want to put a password because this is just a dummy wallet, and after that I'm just going to delete the wallet because I don't really care about the wallet for now, just for educational purposes. So after that, I'll click on create wallet, and voila, I've created a wallet. So in this wallet, I'm going to have a general Sol address, almost like a trust wallet. So if I'm receiving anything that is on the Solana network, I can use this same wallet address, and receive any of those tokens. If I want to receive USDC on Sollet, based on Solana address, I can be able to send them this address. So after doing this, the first thing I'll do is to fund this with Sol. You can actually buy this from Binance and send the Sol through this address here. So you can be able to use it as transaction fees and also for minting. When I say minting, I can be able to add tokens. I can be able to add tokens based on manually or just the normal way. But this thing will cost some little amount of Sol. So all I have to do is to fund it with some Sol, and after funding it, it will be able to use it as transaction fees. Because if you notice now, I tried to add a USDC wallet or a USDC token. It can't because I didn't have any Sol to mint it. So let me show you in a clearer way. Let me move this here and come here. Let me add. If I try to add, it won't be able to activate because I don't have any Sol. So that's just what I'm trying to explain here. So what I'll have to do is to move over to Binance and buy some Sol and be able to fund this wallet. Then after funding, I can be able to add some tokens, and add some tokens, whether it's USDT or BTC or ETH. All of those tokens, I can be able to fund them here, or add the wallet here, their individual wallet tokens or something like that, and mint them in my wallet. This is all I have to say in this video. The next video I'm going to create is just to be able to show you how to be able to buy from DEXs, and how to buy from DEXs, majorly how to buy from DEXs. There's not really any additional stuff I have to add to it. So what you just have to do is subscribe, and after subscribing, just turn on your notification on, and you'll be receiving updates for more videos. So thank you and peace out.